सेमिनार 2 घंटे की ताखीर के बाद शुरू हुआ।
The seminar started after a 2-hour delay. The seminar started after a 2-hour delay.
इसमें मशीन की शिद्दत में इजाफा किया।
She increased the intensity of the machine. She increased the intensity of the machine.
इसमें सफेद कैनवस पर कुछ नहीं खींचा।
He did not draw anything on the white canvas. He did not draw anything on the white canvas.
परिंदा अपने पर फड़फड़ाता रहा।
The bird kept flapping its wings. The bird kept flapping its wings.
वो अपनी किताबें लेकर वापस चले गए।
They went back for their books. They went back for their books.
मैं तेजी से दाएं मुड़ा और उसे दीवार से टेक लगाए देखा।
I turned right sharply and saw her leaning against the wall. I turned right sharply and saw her leaning against the wall.
बदमाश शर्म से चीखा।
The bully cried out in shame. The bully cried out in shame.
मैंने अपनी मोटरसाइकिल पहाड़ी पर चढ़ाई।
I drove my bike up the hill. I drove my bike up the hill.
इसने उसकी कॉल को काट दिया।
She hung up on him. She hung up on him.
मैंने दोपहर के खाने के दौरान खाने के लिए स्नैक खरीदे।
I bought snacks to eat during lunch. I bought snacks to eat during lunch.